Client TMP Dashboard. The Client TMP Dashboard allows clients to manage and track Temporary Traffic Management Plans, TMPs, from one central workspace. Clients can monitor TMP requests, view approval progress, and organise approved plans more efficiently. At the top of the dashboard, summary cards display the number of pending TMPs, TMPs being built, and approved TMPs. Clients can quickly create a new TMP request using the New TMP Request button. The Filter section allows users to search TMPs by provider, project, address, RCA, work type, or TMP number. Clients can also filter TMPs by status, provider, date range, and sort order. When creating a TMP request, clients can choose between a COPTTM-based request or a risk-based request depending on the project requirements. The form also includes project details such as project name, works location, RCA, submitter ID, and My Worksite's ID. The route mapping section allows users to define work routes and traffic locations using an interactive map. Clients can create single route or multi-phase jobs, add route notes, and preview start and end locations before submission. Approved TMPs are displayed in organised folders where clients can group and manage completed plans. Each TMP card includes important details such as provider, address, work type, dates, RCA, status, and expiry information. Overall, the Client TMP Dashboard helps clients manage TMP requests, organise approved plans, and track traffic management planning activities in one streamlined portal.